Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, can you assign decimal value to a variable which is declared with int data type in Java? Let me answer. Let's say in Java program, you have created a variable and declared that particular variable with int data type, and you are trying to assign a decimal value to that particular variable which is declared with int data type. Is that possible or not? The answer is no, guys. If you try to do so in Java, you will get a compiler error saying that type mismatch cannot convert from double to int. That's what you will get. Okay, this is what is the compiler error message from Java you are going to get. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. You can only store integer value into a variable which is declared with int data type. Okay, but you cannot store decimal value into that. Okay, so fine, I'll switch to this Eclipse ID and create a new class. And I'll just say class W, let's say some random name, main method I'll create. Then here I'm going to declare and create a variable with int data type. And to this particular variable, if I try to assign a decimal value, let's say 9.9, immediately Java compiler is going to give me an error saying type mismatch cannot convert from, this is a double literal value that you are assigning to a variable which is declared with int data type. This value is incompatible with the data type that for which this variable is declared with. Okay, so there is no way. Okay, so fine. So what you can do is one way is like you assign a proper integer value to that. Okay, that is one way. And to overcome the error, what are the things? You cannot assign a decimal value to a variable which is declared with int data type. And other suggestion that Eclipse ID is clearly giving you is, you can cast it to int or you change it to double here. Okay, the proper data type you provide. You declare this variable instead of int, you provide double data type. So you can assign a decimal value to a variable which is declared with double data type. But if you try to assign a decimal value to a variable which is declared with int data type, you're going to get a compiler error. Another way is that I can convert this into int typecast. Okay, just by providing the circular brackets and in the data type in which you want to convert this. If it is convertible, if this decimal value can be convertible into data type value, compatible value, then it is okay. Now it is convertible. That's why the compiler error has been gone. But if you print out the value, what will be printed? 9.9 will be printed or 9 will be printed. Okay, this decimal value will be cut off. Okay, when you typecast it, the decimal value will be taken off and the remaining 9 value will be assigned to the variable a, and here a will be printed as 9. Just run this code and see that in the output you will get 9. The decimal part will be taken off. Okay, so but the straightforward answer for this question is no, guys. You cannot assign a decimal value directly to a variable which is declared with int data type in Java. When you try to do so, you're going to get a compiler error saying type mismatch cannot convert from double to int. So hope, guys, you got an answer for this question with practical demonstration in this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.